All this woman wanted was to bring her dead husband home, but with no ambulances in sight, she was forced to call a rickshaw instead. This is how bad it is in India. The South Asian country has recorded 250,000 confirmed COVID-19 related deaths since the start of the pandemic. The actual death toll is likely much higher. Indo-Canadians are left feeling helpless as they hear horrifying stories from family.
I talked to my cousin this week, and she had told me when she was waiting to get her vaccine at her local hospital, there was one body being transported every minute past her who died from COVID.
Medical oxygen remains a precious commodity in the country, even as shipments start to flow in by train. Help is slowly trickling into India from the international community. Germany's shipment of 100 ventilators landed in New Delhi overnight, and Uzbekistan and France also sent medical equipment.
Each of these units can provide oxygen during more than 12 years to a 250-bed hospital in India.
Canada's contribution so far has been cash, $10 million directly to the Indian Red Cross for immediate needs, and talks continue about sending equipment like ventilators.
The Public Health Agency of Canada is, reviewing what we have in our national stockpile, and first and foremost, making sure that, what we can send is not something that's needed here in Canada.
Now, some in Canada's South Asian community are even suggesting gifting the remaining 1.5 million vaccine doses we were supposed to get from the Serum Institute of India back to the country considered the world's pharmacy. While India has halted all vaccine exports, Minister Gould says it could be part of the conversation when doses begin flowing again.
We want to make sure that Canadians get their second dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine, whether that comes from the Serum Institute or whether it comes from another area. We continue to work on that.
Understanding that the global pandemic won't be over until it's over in every country across the world. Mike Lecouteur, Global News.